The unofficial end of summer might be here, but that doesn't mean we're willing to give up those fresh-tasting favorites that we fell in love with over the last few months. As a matter of fact, I'm going to hang on to my favorite summertime fruit salad and turn it into my new anytime fruit salad. To make it, we add a bunch of fresh mint to a blender along with some rum, lime juice, sugar, and a bit of warm water. And we'll give it a whirl. Once it's smooth, we can pour this over anything from fresh cut melons to a bowl of mixed berries. How about a combination of the two? After it sits in the fridge for a bit and all the flavors come together, it's ready to serve. If you're thinking, boy, that looks easy, I could make that in no time, you are right. But don't let how simple it is fool you. It's really good and worthy of 2 thumbs up. To get the recipe for our Mojito Fruit Salad, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun, fresh, and fruity way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Easy, Tiger.